no big deal. How many question forms do we have in French? 4. So what is the first one, the one that I can't really test on? Yes, thank you. Intonation. So intonation, which means you're going to do what?
Raise your voice.
Yeah, so raising your voice simply and doing what? You would add a question mark, right? Which is really no way I can test that. The second way is what? Essica. You add essica. Does anybody remember what actually essica means? Yes, so literally is it that. It translate. Does it make sense? So what are some other ways that you can remember what it means? Does, did, do, can, are. Those are just some ways that you can add that in front of the sentence. So where does essica generally go?
At the beginning.
Yes. So let's write the statement, tu aimes la pizza. And that's just a statement. According to my very first rule, how could I make that a question with rule number 1? So do it. So say it. Say it in class. Say it. Tu aimes la pizza? And you would put a little question mark. So what if I wanted to use the essica version? Where do I put it?
Before the statement.
Yeah, you just stick it right in front. Tu aimes la pizza. It doesn't take too much thought to do that. Okay? Question mark. Thank you. So, est-ce que tu aimes la pizza? I added in front. Now, what happens if the subject is a proper name? Let's change this to, we'll go with Bob. Bob likes pizza. How would I use essica that way? You could do that, or could you just say Bob? Essica Bob aime la pizza, right? I don't know why I have an S there. Aime la pizza. So you could do that, or you could do what I heard in the back. What did I do to Bob?
Turn him into a pronoun.
Yeah, I just replaced him with a little pronoun, and I could say essica qu'il aime la pizza. What would I need to do to essica? Because now I'm using il. Take off the E, add a little apostrophe because of our vowel problems. That does not look like an apostrophe. It just looks like a blob of poop. Sorry, that's recorded. Oops. All right, question number, how would you form another way of asking a question?
End of the statement, nisipa or nepa.
Yeah, so at the end of the statement, you can add 2 question statements, one being nesipa, which kind of means isn't it? Or you could add d'accord, which is okay. And you just stick that at the end. Really super, super simple procedure that really is great when you can't remember how to do the rest of them. Core? Super. And then let's try number 4 then. The 4th way, which is what? I'm going to change screens. I think I have to stop.